How can I track my lost AirPod case on Android?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're an Android user who has lost your AirPods case, you might be wondering if there's a way to track it. Good news, there is. And today, we'll be showing you exactly how to do it. Keep in mind that the AirPods case itself doesn't have GPS tracking. But don't worry, we can still help you find it.
What will you need?
Firstly, let's go over what you need. You will need your Android phone and an app that can help you locate Bluetooth devices. In this case, we're going to use Find My Earbuds. There are also other similar apps available in the Google Play Store, so feel free to use the one you're most comfortable with.
How to install Find My Earbuds?
To install Find My Earbuds, open your Google Play Store, type Find My Earbuds in the search bar, and select it from the search results. Tap on the Install button, and wait for the app to download and install.
How to use Find My Earbuds?
After you've installed the app, open it and give it the necessary permissions to access your location and Bluetooth. After that, it will start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your AirPods from the list of devices. The app will show a signal strength related to the distance of the AirPods. As you move around, the signal strength will change. This will help you locate your lost AirPods case.
What if you can't find your AirPods case?
Remember, the AirPods case does not have built-in GPS, so the effectiveness of the app depends on your AirPods case being in the Bluetooth range of your phone. If you still can't find your case, it might be out of range or the battery could be dead. In such cases, try to recall the last place you had them and look there. If you still can't find them, you may have to consider getting a replacement. We hope this guide was helpful in your quest to find your lost AirPods case. Just remember, these apps aren't 100% guaranteed to find your lost items as they rely on the Bluetooth signal strength, which has limitations. But they can give you a much-needed lead. Good luck in your search, and see you in our next video.